Fuelco is proud to present its range of self-bunded tanks. Fuelco produce transportable tanks and systems for diesel, lubricants, and other petrochemicals. Our self-bunded tanks feature a double-walled construction, in which the outer wall acts as a form of containment in the event of a leak from the primary tank. No additional concrete bunding is required. The tanks have gross capacities ranging from 11,500 up to 110,000 liters. The Fuelco self-bunded tanks are supplied with an interstitial space that creates a secondary containment between the primary and the secondary tank, a calibrated anodized dipstick that measures the level of the liquids, a dipstick to check for leaks within the interstitial space, an emergency vent in case of overpressurization of the tanks, a mechanical overfill valve for shutting off filling, a gradient on the internal tank floor for accumulation of water allowing easy extraction, sockets for the connection for the supplied free-to-air vent pipe, a manway for access to the primary tank, 2 and 3-inch sockets for automatic tank gauging probes, an audible and visual high-level alarm to prevent overfilling. The nozzle allows for connection to the water extraction pipe to drain any water from the inside of the tank. A ladder to the platform provides easy access to the inspection dipsticks and equipment sockets. A pump bay for the fitment of pumps, filters, flow meters, and dispensing equipment with security doors that limit access only to authorized personnel. The following options can be included in the installation of the tank: mast and counterweight to support the filling hose or loading arm, linking pipework for modularity by enabling connection between tanks to increase overall storage capacity, spill containment units that provide spill containment during unloading and dispensing operations. The tanks can be bolted down on anti-seismic cement slabs, or the tanks can be installed on transportable steel skids which are assembled to the base of the tank. All Fuelco tank models are designed and certified in compliance with the Australian AS 1692 and AS 1940 standards, American UL 142 standards, and Canadian ULC S601. Our tanks are built in compliance with ISO maritime standards, which enables them to be transported as containers by road, rail, and sea. Our tanks can perform fast fuel filling operations at up to 1,200 liters per minute. A high-tonnage mining truck with a 5,000-liter fuel tank can be filled within 5 minutes, improving the fleet's productivity due to faster turnaround times. Examples of these types of operations are found in mines across Asia, Australia, Africa, and South America. Diesel-driven motors can also be fitted for autonomous operations with no requirement for external power supply. Solar panels are another option that can charge batteries, making energy savings possible and thus safeguarding the environment. The modular design of our tanks and systems allow for flexibility of storage capacity and application. For example, with 15 tanks at 70,000-liter capacity per tank, a total storage capacity of 1,050,000 liters can be achieved. Having fuel stored and distributed in various tanks reduces the risk of suspending supply. In the event of the need to isolate one of the tanks, the other tanks will remain in operation. The modular construction allows for flexibility and ease of relocation for the creation of multiple distribution points. Fuelco is the preferred supplier for your petrochemical storage needs. Contact us online at fuelco.com.au or email us at sales@fuelco.com.au.